We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await further information. We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await further information. We interrupt regular programming to bring you a message from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by and await. This is a warning from the National Weather Institute. This is a red warning. Severe thunderstorm warning for northern England and parts of southern Scotland. At 6 o'clock, a severe thunderstorm was moving along a line extending from Grindsted, Denmark, moving west at 70 km per hour. These are destructive storms for northern England and parts of southern Scotland. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. 80 miles per hour wind gusts and or baseball-size hail. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. This severe thunderstorm will be near Alnmouth around 2 p.m. Other locations impacted include Longhoughton, Howick, Craster, Embleton, Beadnell, Seahuises, Bamburgh, Holy Island, Warkworth, Amble, Red Row, Creswell, and Ellington before continuing west throughout northern England and southern Scotland. Due to the severity of the storm, all telephone lines in areas to be affected by the storm will be disconnected except for use by emergency services and Her Majesty's military. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building and stay dry. Along with large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers after drowning. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large hail and or damaging winds capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building. Stay dry and away from windows. If on or near surrounding bodies of water, get out of the water immediately and move indoors, or inside a vehicle. Do not look in the water. Remember, lightning can strike up to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. Move into a safe shelter now. Do not be caught in the water, on the water, or near the water during a thunderstorm. Very heavy torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Do not get caught by the water. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy shelter and stay dry. This storm is producing large quantities of hail. Driving through deep hail is like driving on slushy roads. Slow down and do not brake suddenly. This thunderstorm will produce damaging winds resulting in areas of near-zero visibility in blowing dirt. Use extreme caution if you must travel and be alert for rapidly changing visibility. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure. Stay dry and stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in ponding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, bogs, streams, and areas of poor drainage. We urge you to stay indoors, cover all windows, and stay dry. Any drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning and the water. Stay away from the water. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay dry and away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned and flooded by water. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, torrential flooding that you can be caught in, destructive straight-line winds, and tornadoes. Move quickly to a safe shelter, such as an interior room, closet, or other rooms that are considered sturdy and dry. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Institute. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Institute. If a watch is in effect, a tornado and flood watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, a flood is. If one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy and dry structure such as a small interior room. Avoid basements. Basements are susceptible to floods.